This couple died by suicide after the DEA shut down their pain doctor. Here is their story. This is Danny Elliott and his wife, Gretchen. Now, Danny is a 61-year-old man from Warner Robins, Georgia, and he was living with severe intractable pain. This takes us back to March of 1991 when his pain started, all due to an accident when he was unfortunately almost electrocuted to death. His wife Gretchen had breast cancer. She was a survivor who also lived with chronic pain. Now, Danny was first originally prescribed fentanyl back in 2002, and if we're going to fast forward a little bit in his journey in 2018, it got to the point where 3 of his doctors were shut down by the DEA. And this happened as recently as in Los Angeles in November earlier of last month of 2022. Dr. David Bokhoff of Beverly Hills, California was Danny and Gretchen's pain management doctor who, as of November of last month, had his DEA license stripped, so he's no longer able to prescribe opioid medication, which left roughly around 200 patients without a pain management provider. Just one day, the DEA came in and said, nope, you're no longer able to prescribe, you're done. Now, Dr. Bokhoff was known for treating opioid refugee patients, and what this means is patients who have been abandoned by their doctors, who their doctor was shut down by the DEA, or they were on high doses of opioid pain medication and other doctors weren't willing to treat them. People such as this were being treated by Dr. Bokhoff in Beverly Hills, and they were traveling from all over the country to see him every single month for visits. And this left Danny scrambling with Gretchen, contacting over a dozen doctors who said no, we're unwilling to be able to prescribe. This is one of Danny's last tweets where he was talking about how the DEA shut down his pain doctor, the 3rd time he lost a doctor to the DEA, and this was 3 times since 2018. He was on fentanyl as of 2002, and I believe he was on other high doses of pain medications. Other doctors who were willing to prescribe to him were shut down or targeted, and he says he can't get any pain relief as a CPP, meaning chronic pain patient, so he's officially done with the U.S. healthcare system. Patients of Dr. Bokhoff received this notice, which basically was like, hey, if you're having withdrawal symptoms, go to one of these emergency rooms. Emergency rooms aren't going to be giving you pain medication. They're going to think you're a drug seeker or a criminal, and this is not an option, especially for patients traveling from out of state to get this list of ERs. It doesn't, make any sense. And I'm sad to report that both Danny and Gretchen died by suicide back to back, and Danny's brother, who received a letter from Danny who called for a wellness check. Basically what ended up happening was when the police presented to their home, they found them both unfortunately passed away. The blood is on the DEA hands. I can't believe this is happening. Stop targeting pain doctors.